Hey, what's up, guys? Yep, it's What's Cooking with Daddy. Look at what we have now. What's Cooking with Daddy now? We're doing some dinner, guys. So we're gonna be doing some fish. We're gonna be doing some cabbage. We're gonna be doing. It's gonna be a quick meal, guys. You know, obviously, on What's Cooking with Daddy, we make meals simple. We're gonna have some fish and rice with some cabbage. It's all healthy stuff. Got your protein there. You got your vegetables there, which is your cabbage. Very low in carbs as well. So cabbage is very good if you're obviously on a diet and stuff. You got your pepper. You know, guys, I'm always crazy for my peppers. Got some chili there to add a bit of spice to it. Got my onion. So let's get to it, guys. So as you can see already, I've got some pots on the stove. Got my rice cooking there. It's all there. Got my pot ready for my cabbage. We're gonna start with the cabbage. Then we're gonna do the fish a bit later on. So let's chop our onion. So how are you guys? Let me know in your comments what you want to see us do on What's Cooking with Daddy. You know, it's about experimenting. We do stuff in the kitchen. This is easy food. We're making easy food. We're not trying to complicate life in the kitchen. It's for amateurs, guys who are starting off. Guys who don't know how to cook, ladies who don't know how to cook, or some of you are out there. We know this here. So we're learning how to cook simple food, simple meals. It will evolve as we go along because as we practice more and more, we'll go to the more complicated stuff where we'll be killing it with spices, making some hectic stews. But right now, these are simple meals you can make at home. Very quick, efficient. You don't need much ingredients, Don't need to make a whole five-star hotel food, but you're making very healthy food the simple way. So there's my onion nicely chopped. I used half an onion for this meal. Got half a pepper there. So I'm gonna chop that up. Nicely sliced. These slices, what do they call them? Juliet. These long ones, yeah. But I'm gonna slice them across. Juliet. That's what they call them. Yeah, man. So guys, yeah, how have you been? I hope you guys are enjoying everything so far. And thank you for liking, for subscribing, and also for tuning into the channel, guys. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. So guys, we're doing this here. Got my fish. This is actually tilapia. We call this here bream as well, for those of you who know what bream is. Yeah, so very, very nice freshwater fish. That's gonna work very nice with our meal. It's a nice protein. We're gonna deep fry that thing, in case you're wondering how we're gonna be making that thing. So we're gonna deep fry that fish. As you always know, I've always got my pots on my plates on high. So we're gonna start with this cabbage, yeah. Put that cabbage in and get that there cooking. So we're always gonna start with our onion. I always start with my onion first, and then chuck in our peppers. We're gonna chuck in. That sound of cooking. So guys, yeah, What's Cooking with Daddy, guys? It's simple meals. Here's your peppers. Peppers are actually good for your detoxing. A very good detoxer. And a bit of our chili. Let's chop that fine. Yeah, so guys, we're practicing, we're learning, we will be burning stuff, we will be making mistakes, but we learn as we go along. It's an amateur cooking show. So everyone can learn, you know what I mean? There's no mistakes. When you burn it, you start over. Just, yeah, don't rub your eyes. I'm very clumsy. Last time I rubbed my eyes with this here, and yeah, it wasn't very nice. So a little bit of the chili in there, just a little bit. Let that there fry, and then we're gonna get some capsicum, guys. Yeah, you know me. I'm happy. I'm the capsicum guy. Like, this here is a good detox. It's a good appetite suppressant. It's good for your metabolic rate to increase your metabolism. So it's actually a very good spice. You can find this here in your spice stores. It's called capsicum, as you can see. Yeah, and I've got some lacquer seasoning. You know that seasoning. So we're gonna chuck this capsicum in there. Nice seasoning. And obviously a bit of salt to taste. So my rice is actually boiling. I made the rice a while ago. I'm going to turn that down. Yeah, because it's actually now steaming. My rice is practically done. So with the rice, I used about 3 cups of rice. 3 cups of rice with about 6 cups of water. That's how you make some good rice. You just every 2 cups, 4 cups of water. So you just double the amount of cups. You just double the amount of cups that you use with your rice, and that's how it works. So yeah, I've chopped my onions, I've chopped my peppers, I've chucked them in the pot. And guys, I always say, look, let's keep our cooking spaces clean, our working spaces clean. It's always good so that when you're done and you're dishing up and all that there, you've got a clean space, you've washed as you go along. It's always good to do that there. So washing your dishes as you go along is always an advantage. Put that away. And be back. I'm going to need that knife at some point. So yeah. So yeah, guys, as that is frying in there, enjoying this here, guys. I hope you liked my past episodes, guys. All the other food that we've been making, guys. Give me ideas. Let's work together. Bounce them off me. Yeah. And my family is also enjoying me cooking because yeah, I mean, I'm doing this here all the time. From now. Yeah. Here's our onions nice and done. I'm going to chuck in my tomatoes. Tomato. Yo guys, coming up with ideas for cooking is hectic because you just gotta just make things work. And I also Google some stuff. I'm also looking for people to give me ideas because I don't have ideas as well. But yeah, I mean, tomorrow probably gonna be making chicken breast, guys. We make anything from sandwiches. We're gonna be making fries. We're gonna be teaching how to make fast homemade sandwiches, easy breakfast. It's all gonna be on What's Cooking with Daddy. So it's gonna be fun as we go along. We're gonna grow together. We're gonna evolve to be master chefs maybe at some point. Get invited to big shows as well. And thanks to my guys at Pyrex, I got this here for free from Pyrex. So yeah, that was actually quite cool of them. So yeah, guys, yes, this is what the tilapia looks like. Some lacquer, medium-sized bream. I don't really like the big ones because like the big ones just lose flavor. You know what I mean? You don't really get that taste. I remember the one time I bought one that was like almost half a meter, guys. It was something else. Tried to cook that there, and yeah, it was a disaster. So I feel it's easier to work with these smaller ones. Very rich in protein. I've scaled them, as you can see. I've taken out the eyes. I've cleaned it thoroughly. So yeah, it's all just ready to get into the pan. So let's turn that heat up. Oh, it's actually is turned up. It's turned up. Yeah. So that's my gravy in there. Smelling awesome. Yeah. So guys, like I was saying, it's easier to fry. I like deep frying it, like really until it gets really crispy. So we're gonna add some salt to it because I forgot to do that. So let's season that with some salt. Yeah. Let me check what I got in the cupboard there. Maybe we can put some lacquer spice on it. I don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to try it out. Let's put some of that. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm going to taste this here with you guys. So I put some capsicum, I put some salt on it. I'm just massaging it in. Don't want to ruin it and put any extra spices because I don't know if that's going to taste well. I don't want to experiment with dinner. We can experiment on a day where I'm experimenting, but this is actually what we're going to eat for dinner. So, yeah. So let's let that there set in. I know this thing, what is it? You massage the food, right? You massage it, make it feel really nice in there. Okay. Yeah, this feels weird, eh? But I think that's done. It's done. It's ready to get into that pan. Let's put some oil in the pan. So I think with your oil, I think just put enough for it, you know, like so that the must get really hot so that the fish don't stick. Because a lot of fish tends to stick to the bottom of the pan. I've realized that especially when you put very little oil and it's too hot, it sticks and then it all breaks up and it's just not, yeah, it's not a good look. So yeah, kind of like just put enough oil, you know what I mean? It's almost like you're going to be deep frying chips, you know what I mean? So yeah, get enough oil in there, and I think, yeah, I've got enough oil in there. Let's get that thing getting hot. That gravy is cooking very well. So it's a simple gravy, guys. I mean, look at that. I used the tomato, I used onion, I used green pepper. I put some seasoning in there, and then it's just cooking, you know. You're not going to burn, you're not going to go wrong. It's not going to taste awful. it's going to be nice, you know. I'm sure it's going to be nice because it's simple meal. We're not complicating the stuff. We're not trying to be, you know, world-class chefs, but we're just trying to put something in that's healthy, something that we can make at home. You can make for the kids, you can make for the family. So, you know, impress them. You haven't been in the kitchen before, then just come and watch What's Cooking with Daddy, and yeah, you make a simple meal and then you graduate from there, you know. So, lack of Valentine's, guys. Valentine's is coming. So that there is kind of like done. So I think it's about time. It's time to put the cabbage in there. Yeah, I think we should put the cabbage in there. Let's get that there. Let's keep that away from the fish. Got our cabbage. The cabbage fit in the pot. Eureka! These cast iron pots are so hot, guys. Yo. So obviously you want to handle it with a towel, or if you've got mittens. Yeah, I don't know where I've got mitts, so I just don't know where they are. I should have actually taken them out. I didn't anticipate that this would be happening. So when you put your cabbage in, you just mix it with that gravy. Just mix them around in there. Then you're just going to close off your pot. Be careful not to mess, but I mean, come on. It's What's Cooking with Daddy, so you can mess up a bit. Like I said, we're not master chefs, we're just amateurs trying to make a good meal for the family. Something that will digest at least and not send them to the hospital. So there we go. That cabbage is looking Nandi. Put some water in there and then close it off. You don't want your cabbage to get too soft. You know, when you make your vegetables, you want to keep that crispiness in your vegetables, you know. So this is how, I mean, it's like a 10-15 minute thing, you know, when you're doing it. Our oil is hot. I think, yeah, we kind of like heard that thing when I was cooking, when I was chucking in, the cabbage was kind of like overspilling into the oil. But yeah. So there we go. Our tilapia is ready to go in, and there's music. The sound of tilapia frying. There we go. Beautiful. So we're going to let that there fry for a bit. We're going to tidy up after ourselves. Let that there do its thing in there. And yeah, while I tidy up, guys, we're going to come back. Check that tilapia. You already cook, fry for a bit till it's like golden brown on both sides, nice and crispy. It will be ready to come off the stove. Our rice is almost ready, so we'll be coming there. We'll turn it around, dish it up, and it's ready to go. So guys, we've already done it. Check, everything is ready. It's done. How long was that? Simple stuff, guys. Eh? And we did this here in one take. It was nice. So you see, clean your workstation. Okay, guys, we're back, and I think that fish is, yeah, it is fried. It is golden brown. It is crispy. Our cabbage is done. The rice is done. I think we're ready to plate our food. Yep. So let's get some fish up in here. Yum. Want to show you guys this here. Come on. Ah, look at that. Huh? Look at that golden brown tilapia. Yo, this is going to be yum. Fried that there through and through, but I know the inside is going to be nice and moist. This is what tilapia is like. And that smell. You can smell that freshwater tilapia. Yo, it is. It's graceful. Yeah. So now, when you get some rice, the rice is nice and cooked. It is fluffy. It is amazing. Yo, this brand of rice is amazing. Hey, not gonna mention that brand though. We all know why, yeah? You need money. I'm joking. Yeah, What's Cooking with Daddy, guys? This is awesome. Get this here. Nice, nice. Got some of that rice here. Let's get some cabbage. And it's healthy, guys. Low in calories. The cabbage is nice and crisp. I almost overcooked the cabbage nice. In fact, I probably did, because I shouldn't have let it boil for so long, with all those peppers inside. The peppers are overdone. But we're learning, guys. We're learning. So the peppers are overdone. The cabbage is still a bit crispy. It looks good. Get some chili on that there. Yeah. Some chili on the top. I put some chili on the side there. But check this out, guys. Easy, prepared at home, guys. So yeah, it's your tilapia, it's your cabbage, it's your rice. So let's dig in. Final verdict. I want to taste this fish first. Let's break it. Look at that. Look at how moist. Look at that heat, guys. Can you see that steam coming out? It's soft on the inside. It's very soft on the inside. Skin, awesome. It's perfect. Number one, the cabbage and rice. Let's get it in. Get some chili there too. My kitchen. My kitchen. What? Guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna dig into this here. Next one, we're gonna kill it, guys. This is awesome. Thanks for watching, man. Love you all. One love. Peace.